Hey girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is on another wig from Luvwin Hair. If you didn't check out my last two videos, Luvwin Hair does specialize in salt and pepper gray units. So these wigs, this wig is going to be another salt and pepper style. So if that's what you're into, make sure you keep on watching. Alright, so this is what the packaging looks like. You're going to get this nice velvet bag that has your unit in it. You're going to get a little care package. It's going to give you some duckbill clips, a wig band, a wig cap, and a, and a rat tail comb. So let's go ahead and get into this unit. I can already see this is a kinky straight or yaki straight. Looks like it's a nice length, kind of like a long bob, very everyday sort of length. I'm going to check all the details and place them in the description as well as on a title in this video. Definitely comes pre-plucked, pre-cut. Let's look at the cap construction. We got a closure unit right here. Don't mind my kids in the background. They're playing, having themselves a good old time with their Christmas gifts and their toys. And there we go. We got the middle part. Well, I don't know if this is the middle part actually. Yeah, it looks like it's a side part, but it's got a good parting space area. Let's see the cap construction. We have the silicone around the outside to hold the unit in place. We have two combs by the closure, and then we have one comb in the back, as well as an elastic band to adjust the tightness, and the elastic band also has that silicone to hold it in place. So I'm really liking this cap construction. I'm also really liking the texture. The density feels nice and full, so you don't have to worry about the density on this one. It has a nice full texture, but doesn't seem too overwhelming because the hair is not too long. So I'm excited to get this one on and go ahead and start styling this. Now my hair is cut in a very short cropped pixie, so it's very easy for me to get my hair together. I'm literally just gonna comb it back, put a rubber band on it. I love having my hair nice and short and cropped. It makes it so easy to do my wig reviews. So of course I'm gonna start like I always do with some, obviously it doesn't have to be this one, but I like to use some sort of hairspray because it just gives you a good base to start from. And I'm just gonna grab some, put some on this brush. All over, just hit it with some hairspray. Hold it back. Okay. I'll be honest, this wig is very thick, but that's kind of what you expect with a kinky straight wig. So I'm gonna put it in a ponytail that a lot of times you can see too well. So I'm gonna use a hairspray to secure this. All right, and I'm just gonna add just a little bit more. All right, that already looks really good. So now what I'm gonna do is just put a band around it, and that's gonna be a lot easier if you put the hair in a ponytail. That's why I put the hair in a ponytail, because it's a lot easier to work with, which I think we're going to first blow it out. Then the next step, we're gonna flat iron, and then the last step will be to trim and curl. into a shape that I like a little better. This is my little hot comb that I've been using for years. I probably could use to pluck this parting space a little bit, but I'm just being lazy. Just gonna do some sliding layers here. I think that's pretty good. Now I'm going pretty high with the layers. You definitely don't have to do that if you don't want to cut too much of it. When I pull the hair out, that bottom hair is right here, so I'm just gonna cut up from there to get some layers. Okay, so then when you drop the hair, you have layers. Okay? So I'm gonna keep going and come back once I have the final cut, but this is pretty much close to what I'm gonna do, and then I'll come back and curl the hair. We're gonna go ahead and get started with our curling. Now we're gonna use the T3, and I believe this one, what size is this one? I think this one might be the half, the 1 inch. This one might be the 1 inch. So let's go in, spray the hair down. First things first, we're gonna use our Beach Waver Major Movement, my favorite hairspray of all time. I have tried so many hairsprays, and this one is fire, to be quite honest. So when I use it, I go through, spray first. I spray each section while I'm curling, and then I go back over it once I'm done with all the curls and spray it again. So I spray it like 3 times. And then I'll probably spray it again when I take it out. I use a lot of hairspray.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo. Be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. To but sometimes you fall.
I'm not even gonna lie, this is actually a vibe. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm not even gonna hold you. It looks so natural, and it helps me to know what I'm gonna look like when my hair looks like this, because my mother has a full head of gray hair, so I know it's coming for me. I just turned 40 in July, so I know my time is coming, and this helps me to know what I'm gonna look like. This wig is so fire, and the layers that I cut into this is everything. Is take my GLEEmade edge control and just add the slightest bit just right here, just to tame this area right here that I feel like is a little bit unruly. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I love it. I actually love it. I have no notes. I have no notes. This hair is fire.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping.